Welcome! If you're managing a Telegram group on your PC and want to allow another admin to pin messages, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest update, you can easily grant this permission to any admin in your group. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin rights in your group. Once you're in, look for the group where you want to allow another admin to pin messages. Click on the group to open the chat window. Next, head to the top right corner of the chat window and click on the three dots. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Manage Group. This section gives you access to all the settings you need to control your group's features and permissions. Inside the Group Management panel, find and click on Administrators. You'll see a list of all the admins in your group. Scroll through the list and click on the name of the admin you want to give pinning rights to. Now, you'll see a list of permissions for that admin. Look for the option labeled Pin Messages. By default, this might be turned off for some admins. Simply click to enable this permission. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save to confirm the changes. That's it. The selected admin now has the ability to pin important messages in your group chat. This is perfect for keeping key information, announcements, or rules visible to all members at the top of your group conversation. Pinning messages is a great way to keep your group organized and ensure everyone stays up to date with the latest news or guidelines. Remember, only admins with this specific permission can pin messages, so you have full control over who can highlight information for your group. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your Telegram groups. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.